Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplify Studies. In today's module, we will study about map scales. Well, as you all know, maps are a much smaller representation of the actual size of an area on the ground. The scale on a map represents the relationship between the distance on the map and those on the ground. This means that distance on the map is always proportionate to the distance on the ground. Maps are generally made in such a way that they fit on the paper or screen. When the scaling of the map is done, every part of the map is scaled proportionally. For example, if a city is twice as big as a neighboring city, a scaled map will also show the same thing on the paper. In short, a map scale is used to enlarge or reduce a map. Let us understand this with an example. Here, I have a 5 cm long line. But I can also show the 5 cm line by a shorter line, which takes less space. For example, 10 mm. Now, with the help of smaller line, I can represent the bigger line. 5 cm is represented by 10 mm. That means 1 cm is represented by 2 mm. Here I have divided 10 by 5, so 2 mm. This is written as 2 mm is equal to 1 cm. This is called a scale. Now, let us take one more example. Now, look at this map and tell me what is written on the top right hand side. Yes, here it is written 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. Now, this is called a map scale. This means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 200 kilometers. The scale on the map is so accurate that you can even find out the distance between two cities using it. Now, let us find out the distance between Mumbai and New Delhi using a scale. So, the distance between Mumbai and Delhi using a ruler is 6 centimeter. But we have to find out the ground distance. So, the distance on the ground will be equal to the distance on the map multiplied by 200. See, the distance on map is 6 centimeter. Distance on the ground will be distance on the map multiplied by 200. That is 6 multiplied by 200, which is equal to 1200 kilometers. So, the estimated distance between Mumbai and Delhi is 1200 kilometers. Children, with the help of map scale, you can find out the distance between any two places. To fit the map on a small piece of paper, the map is reduced by using the map scale. With the help of map scale, we can enlarge or reduce the size of a map, keeping the shape of the map same. The area and the distance will remain the same even if the map scale changes. So, let us take one more example of scaling down. Here we have rectangle A, where rectangle A is 5 cm on its longer side and 4 cm on its shorter side. Now, I want to draw a replica of rectangle A, but the size should be small. So, I will draw rectangle B, where the longer side will be 10 mm and the shorter side will be 8 mm. Rectangle B is drawn to a scale of 2 mm, which is equal to 1 cm. It is an accurate representation of rectangle A. This method of drawing an exact and accurate representation using a scale is called scaling down. Now, let us learn what is scaling up. Here, I have one more rectangle which is very tiny and the name of this rectangle is rectangle C. Now I want to make a bigger size rectangle. But when we use the scale to work out what the actual size of a place is, it is called scaling up. Let us understand scaling up with an example. Here, rectangle C is drawn to the scale of 2 millimeter, which is equal to 1 centimeter. Now let's see how to get the exact size of the rectangle that rectangle C represents. In short, how to enlarge it. So, for that, I will divide 8, the width with 2, and length, which is 12, again by 2. So, I will get 4 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So, this is how we use scaling up. All the maps are drawn to scale in the same way. The scale is usually given in one corner of the map. That's all for today. Have a good day.